Begin by attaching the rocker bottoms to both side frames. Feed two 3-inch screws through the pre-drilled holes in the rocker bottom. Use the ends of the screws to loosely attach the rocker bottom to the right side frame. Next, use a drill to tighten both screws. Repeat this step to attach the other rocker bottom to the left side frame. Attach the short brace to the back of the right side frame using one 3-inch screw. Attach the long brace to the front of the right side frame using one 3-inch screw. Next, fit the seat into the pre-made pockets in the right side frame with the TREX medallion facing the front of the rocker. Secure with two 2.5-inch screws. Fit the back piece into the pre-made pockets in the right side frame with the staples facing the back of the rocker. Secure using two 3-inch screws. Fit the headrest into the pre-made pocket at the top of the right side frame. Be sure the piece is fully inserted before moving on. Flip the rocker over and attach the left side frame to the rest of the assembled rocker using four 3-inch screws and two 2.5-inch screws. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.